Hey there, future innovators! So, have you ever wondered who builds the AI behind your favorite apps? You know, from recommendation engines to ChatGPT tools? Well, meet the AI product manager. Honestly, they're kind of the unsung hero driving intelligent systems into the real world. Stick around, because in just 6 minutes, we're gonna unpack what AI PMs actually do, how they're different from traditional PMs, and, how you can get started. A traditional PM builds features. An AI PM, though, builds intelligent features, powered by machine learning and data. AI product management is really where product strategy meets data science. You're not just shipping buttons or UI flows. You're shipping models that learn, adapt, and predict user behavior. So what does AI PMs do? They define AI use cases. Can AI help us personalize, automate, or predict something? And is there enough data to train a model? Collaborate with machine learning and data teams, translate user problems into model goals, help choose the right model, metrics, and architecture. Manage the ML lifecycle, from data collection to training to deployment. And yes, make sure the model stays accurate after launch. Balance risk and ethics. Is the model fair? Is it explainable? Are we respecting user privacy? So what's the difference between AI PM and a normal PM? Both roles need business acumen, team collaboration, and customer focus. But AI PMs go deeper into things like machine learning modeling concepts, data quality and pipelines, experimentation, like A/B tests and model performance, and model explainability and bias mitigation. You don't need to write code, but you do need to understand what's possible, what's risky, and what's viable. Okay, let's walk through a typical day for an AI product manager. So at 9 in the morning, you'd sync up with the data science team and, check in. How's the model retraining going? Then by 11, it's time for a product review, where you get to demo a new AI-powered search feature. After lunch, around 2, you'll talk to users and ask, is the new personalization engine actually helping? By 4 in the afternoon, there's an ethics review, where you evaluate the risk of model bias or unintended outputs. And finally, at 5, you'll dive into roadmap planning, prioritizing which models or data enhancements to tackle next. It's a pretty full day. To really thrive as an AI product manager, you'll need to blend a few key skills. First up is tech fluency, stuff like the basics of machine learning, natural language processing, and large language models. You might wonder, what's a transformer? Or, what's model drift? Then there's product strategy, which covers metrics, road mapping, and user empathy. Data literacy is also super important. Think SQL, experimentation, and evaluating model performance. And of course, you can't forget ethics and governance, privacy, bias, explainability, and safety are all crucial. It's a lot, but honestly, it's what makes the role so exciting. AI PMs are, honestly, in demand at all kinds of places. We're talking big tech companies like Meta, Google, and Microsoft. Startups that are building large language model tools are also looking for them. You'll find opportunities in health tech, fintech, and e-commerce too. Even nonprofits are jumping in, using AI for good. And well, it's only growing from here. Companies really need PMs who understand both AI capabilities and real user problems. So, how do you actually break into AI product management? First, learn machine learning fundamentals. Use platforms like Coursera, deeplearning.ai, or fast.ai to get started. Next, build some side projects. Try making a chatbot, or, use an open source model in an app. It's also super helpful to collaborate with data science or machine learning teams. Volunteer inside your company if you can. Help out with experimentation, metrics, or ML workflows. Don't forget to understand MLOps too. Learn what happens after model deployment, like pipelines, monitoring, and feedback loops. And finally, practice storytelling with AI. Can you explain an ML result to your CEO and your grandmother? That's a skill that really matters. So here's the quick recap. AI PMs are right at the intersection of tech, data, product, and ethics. They work with models, but their main focus is solving real-world problems. They're in huge demand, honestly, across a ton of industries. And yes, you can get there even without a PhD if you're curious, strategic, and willing to learn. Want to dive deeper into AI product strategy? Go ahead and subscribe for more breakdowns on generative AI, machine learning products, and career tips for tech builders. Drop your questions in the comments. I'm always happy to cover them in the next video. Until next time, stay curious and keep building.